Right, welcome back. Let's look at question 3. What is the difference between the product of the odd digits and the sum of the even digits? But before we answer this question, we have to understand these 4 things. What is a product? What is a digit or an odd number? What is the sum? What is even numbers or even digits? We have to remember those. Okay? Right? Remember that the sum, what is this? This is the result of addition. Right? When you add, you get the sum. And then we have the difference. What is the difference? The result of subtraction. And then we have the product. Product is the result of multiplication. And then the last one is the quotient. This is the result of division. So remember this. When you add, you get the sum. When you subtract, you get the difference. When you multiply, you get the product. When you divide, you get the quotient. And then the other thing we want to discuss is what? The even numbers and odd numbers. What are even numbers? These are numbers divisible by 2, or you can say they are multiples of 2, including 0. 0 is an even number because 0 times 2 is 0. And you can also say 0 divided by 2. 0 divided by 2 is 0. Okay, so 0 is an even number. So these are examples of even numbers. Goes on like that, 10 and so on like that. And then odd numbers. These are basically the opposite of even numbers. These are numbers that are not divisible by 2. If you divide them by 2, you will get a remainder. Okay. The examples are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. It goes on like that. Okay. And then the last part, it says odd digits and even digits. What are digits? These are numbers from 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the digits. Okay, so the question says, what is the difference between the product of the odd digits? This is like 1 times 3 times 5 times 7 times 9. We're just selecting from the digits here. Okay, and then what do you get? 945 if you multiply these 5 numbers. Okay, and then we want to get the difference between the product of the odd digits and the sum of the even digits. So sum of even digits, 0 plus 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8, which is equal to 8 plus 6, 14, plus 4, 18, plus 2, 20. So it's 20. And then now we want to find the difference between the product of the odd digits and the sum of the even digits. So we can use our columns method here. You can say 945 minus 20, like this. Use your columns method. And then let's start with the ones or the units. 5 minus 0, that is 5. We go to the tens. 4 minus 2, we get 2, which is 2 tens. And then hundreds, 9 minus 0 is 9, 9 hundredths. So the answer is 925.